Yeah. Smoke's coming from the basement.
Is everyone out?
I don't think so. I tried to do a walkthrough, but the smoke's too thick.
All right, squad, primary search. Kid Vasquez, 4th entry, recon the basement.
Copy.
Engine, start stretching the line. Truck will find the source.
Copy that, Lieutenant.
Let's move!
All right, mask up.
Fire department, pull out!
This is it. We found the source. Must be an oil furnace.
Trace and find the oil supply and shut it down.
We're going in.
Yeah.
All right. Set. Strike. Strike.
Fire department, call out!
Hey! There's an injured woman in apartment K.
Yes, sir, you gotta get out of here now, okay? Can you walk
I'm
out on your
fine,
own?
I'm fine. Just go to apartment K before it's too late.
I got... Hey, Violet, be on the lookout for an elderly guy walking out the building.
Copy.
Fire department, call out!
Hey! Hey, I'm gonna get you out of here, right? You gotta stay alone. It's gonna be okay. Right? You gotta stay with me. Samurai, I'm coming out with another tenant.
Copy, Cruz.
The combustion chamber in the furnace is overloaded. We gotta go around back to shut it off.
Do it.
Okay.
Engine, get a hose line on that furnace.
Copy that.
Cruz, that smoke's gonna keep coming. Make sure you get your victim out of there now. Cruz.
Get her on the stretcher. Good. We got you.
She should be okay, but she was in there for a while.
All right, let's get on some oxygen.
Where's the old guy?
Oh, I never saw him. Maybe he got into another ambulance?
I need to get back in that building.
Why?
Lieutenant, building's clear.
What? Are you sure?
Yeah, we checked every unit.
All right, let's get the smoke detectors at that front entrance.
Copy that, Lieutenant.
Sounds like your guy made it out.
I hope so. He's kind of frail in that oxygen setup. He was gonna need medical attention for that smoke inhalation.
Okay, there were a couple other ambulances here. I'll talk to Violet, have her ask around the med.
Yeah, thanks.
Let's wrap it up.